Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next we'll be making a bird. Draw its wings and its body like this. Draw its feathers. After that, we will complete its body, make its eyes, beak and a stick in its mouth. Draw the leaves on it. Don't forget to fix the stick in the between and it's done. Next, draw the circle like this and a triangle-like shape as shown in the video. Now we will make the face of it. Draw the eyes and the mouth of the cartoon character. Complete the lines like this. Draw a zigzag line on the neck like this. Now make the balls. Now make its legs. First complete its body. After that, draw its lines on the head. Now draw its mouth, fix a stick and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a butterfly. Draw the zigzag lines like this. Now design its wings as shown in the video. Draw its antenna. Now we will draw its body. Draw the lines inside it. Fix the stick and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating a cute flower. Draw a circle like this and the lines inside it. Now make the check lines on it like this. After that, draw the petals outside the flower. Now we will draw its stems and leaves like this. And then fix a stick. Put some dots to make its face. And then make a hole in the between and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll also make again a flower. First, take the sugar syrup. Now put the lines like this. Draw the petals very carefully. Give the lines as shown in the video. Draw its stems and leaves. Now put some leaves or petals around it like this. Make a butterfly and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a fish. So draw its body like this, make its gills like this on the sides, make its fins, now make its tail, complete its body, give the designs to its body in the same manner as shown in the video, draw the circular lines, make its eyes, give its pattern to the body as we are doing, make its eyes, fins and then we will complete it as shown in the video and your fish will be ready. Don't forget to fix the stick and it's done. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.